What's up, y'all? It's KingBritneyChanel and you are on my SaeBritneyChanel channel. This is my lifestyle blogging channel, okay? So today we're going to be talking about rice water, why I use it, how I use it, how it's been growing my hair. Yes, I am low porosity. We're going to get into all of the good stuff. But before we do, definitely make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into the video. It's KingBritneyChanel and you're on my SaeBritneyChanel channel. So right now I am about to do rice water, but I'm gonna make a leave-in. Typically I would do rice water on my wash day. So I have low porosity hair, which means that you don't want to overload your hair with protein. But if you have low porosity hair, you can still do rice water. You just have to be very cautious how you use it, okay? So the first thing that I noticed as a low porosity natural who is doing the rice water, you cannot allow the rice water to ferment. I know people are watching videos and they're seeing the ladies have the rice water, and then I have my rice water here. You're seeing ladies where they're allowing it to sit overnight and stuff like that. You're not doing that. You are more so doing like rice water rinses to where you are allowing it to maybe sit for maybe 10 to 15 minutes, even I say 20 minutes. And then what I do is I mix it with, like I was down to the last bit of my Shea Moisture conditioner like this, and I mixed it in here to wash my hair, like to do a co-wash. And I just, co-wash my hair, kind of like, massage my scalp with it in my hair, rinsed it out. My hair was fine. So you're more so doing rinses. But right now, today we're going to be doing a leave-in. So you need your white rice. I would, more so, this is the long grain organic kind of white rice, okay? Or whatever type of rice this is. I think it's long grain. But, I don't know if it's organic, but I think it's, you need white rice, okay? Because that's protein filled, okay? Then, not to mention the two leave-ins that I love so much. TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. It has the vitamin E. I use that on my, my twist outs without any gel or product, and my twist outs are super defined. And then my Camille Rose Natural, we're using today the Curl Love Moisture Milk with rice milk and macadamia oil. So you need conditioner. The thing is, when you're using rice water, since it's a protein, you need the conditioner to make sure your hair is moisturized so that it does not become brittle or that you don't get protein overload. And the key is to dilute. So I also have like my empty Garnier bottle, and it's water, because I'm only literally going to put that much rice water in there. I'm going to, after the rice is done doing its thing for like 15 minutes in the water, I'm gonna put the water in this empty Shea Moisture bottle. I've already placed the Camille Rose Natural and the buttercream at the very bottom of this, okay, to dilute it, okay? That's where the moisture is gonna come in at. It's only like a little bit in there, but I put it up to maybe where the word conditioner is. So I'm gonna mix the rice water and put it in here. But I've already mixed these two with water for my moisture in this empty bottle, if that makes any sense. So once I've mixed the rice water in this bottle, I'm just using this to be able to store in the refrigerator. I am going to pour a little bit into this water to dilute it and use it as a leave-in spray. So yeah, I'm going to be tracking my results, and yeah, so I'm going to be tracking my results, and I will come back when I have more results, y'all. Okay, honeys, so let me start by telling y'all, now that y'all have seen how I make my rice water leave-in, how rice water has totally improved my hair, okay? So rice water, just giving y'all the play-by-play, if y'all haven't heard the story about the red Yao women, they call them the Rapunzels of China. Basically what they do, or the practice of rice water, came from basically China. What they would do is they would boil the rice, and it would create, you know, when you boil rice, it creates this milky like water. And basically after everything is all cooled down, you take the water after it's cooled down and it looks like milk or whatever. But I wasn't doing all of that. You could also like soak your rice for 30 minutes. And your girl is not with the fermentation of rice overnight. I'm gonna keep it all the way $1. They say that when the rice ferments, it's supposed to have like a lot of nutrients, and then some people say that you don't really need to do that, because when you rinse your hair off with rice water, the amino acids and things, it coats your hair, so even when you rinse it off, it's still activated in your hair once you rinse it off. So I mean, it's to each his own. I'm just not with that, because I'm like, food going bad and then you don't know, putting that on your scalp. I wasn't with all that. But letting it sit for like 30 minutes, I was all good and okay with that. Now, things that have changed for me since using rice water. Basically, what I noticed is, before I even tried the rice water, like areas in my hair that I know were prone to breakage, like the crown area, and then like there's one area that has inflammation in the back of my head. I was like, my hair in those two areas was extremely dry. After using rice water, and I've been using it for like 2 weeks now, using rice water, my hair has just totally, it's moisturized now. Yeah, so using it for 2 weeks, my hair feels extremely moisturized. The texture is softer, because before, when I was just using leave-in products by itself, it was like the moisture, like I would wake up in the morning and my hair would be super attached to my head, and basically I would be like, who did it and why? Like, because I don't like always twisting my hair, doing twist outs, because that's manipulation, combing, breakage, and all of that, and you have to just keep retwisting it in order for it to look a certain way. So I'm like, what is going on here? Like, so basically I decided to try the rice water due to those benefits of it softening your hair. Also, rice water prevents your hair from having lice, because apparently the starch kills lice and stuff like that. Also, like, it's definitely soothing to your skin. Like I said, inflammation, I'm not with it. So I've been using like the Sunny Owl castor oil with lavender to help with that also, or Vicks Vapor Rub. I've only been using a couple of things, y'all, to grow my hair. And I'll put the picture of where I started. Honey, I didn't have no hair on my head, but the little middle of my hair. And it was cut straight down to my hair. I couldn't pull no hair. It was just, I was looking like Stony from Set It Off, honey. Like when she cut it all off in the end. But pretty much, the rice water, from me using it as a leave-in and a rinse, it has made my hair stronger. You can tell, like, when you touch certain areas of your hair, it begins to feel coated, like, and softer. Because like I was saying before, my hair, when I would use regular leave-ins, I would wake up the next morning and it would be extremely dry, like as if I didn't put anything on it. And just, you know, like how your hair is traumatized and it's just shrunk into your head. Well, even like so even today when I showered, y'all, my hair was shrunk into my head, but it was like as soon as I put water on my hair, it still was soft, as if the rice water was activated in my hair. And my hair has grown a lot, y'all. Like, I'm on my 1 year natural anniversary come the 28th, and my hair has grown so much. That's a lot of growth for somebody who, and my hair is in a shrunken state right now, because I'm like, child, I'm not going through that detangling and all that, because I'm trying to do low manipulation. But my hair is incredibly soft. It feels like a cotton cloud or a cotton ball. That's how soft it is. Now, obviously, when you're using rice water, like I said, I'm low porosity. So you have to be cautious the way you use rice water, because you can be low porosity and your hair likes it. It just depends on the state of your hair. My hair in certain places from manipulation, like the crown was damaged, so my hair loves it in that area. So basically every other day I'll take the spray that I made and I'll spray my hair when I feel like my hair begins to feel dry. Right now my hair is super soft, so I'm not going to use the spray for another probably 2-3 days. But the spray, I feel like, because the Camille Rose Natural, it has the rice milk in it along with the rice water, and then my TGIN leave-in, and I mixed all of that together. My hair has been super soft, moisturized, and I have not had a problem with keeping moisture in my hair. And then castor oil to stimulate the growth. It's been growing my hair like a weed, y'all. I know a lot of people, it's a hit and miss with the rice water, like I said, because you have to know what your hair needs. Like I've been seeing videos where people are like, oh, my hair fell out in clumps. Okay, why would you try to put a protein in your hair every single day? Excuse me, y'all, because of pollen allergies. Why would you try to put a protein in your hair every single day and you know that your hair does not need protein? You can feel when your hair needs protein, okay? You can feel when your hair is dry and brittle, and that's where you need protein, when your hair is damaged, dry, and brittle, and that sort of stuff. But rice water itself can make your hair brittle, and if you don't balance it with moisture, see, that's why I added my conditioners to my leave-in, or when I use rice water as a rinse, I always add it to a conditioner so that it's a perfect balance. Because if you just, oh, I'm just spraying rice water every single day and you low porosity or protein sensitive, you are going to have your hair coming out in clumps, because your hair is going to be like, what in the world happened? Yeah, basically your hair is going to be like, who did it and why, and extra dry and brittle from protein overload. So you just have to be careful with that. Overall, my hair feels thicker because my crown area, like my hair is mega thick. Like, please, I'm gonna be looking like Simba off the Lion King in a couple of months, y'all. I'm telling y'all, my hair grows extremely fast and it's mega thick. So basically the middle of my hair always was kind of thin. So not necessarily thin, but you know, areas of your hair that have more follicles than certain areas, but it still looks extremely thick, but it's thinner than the sides. The back, I probably say the back and the middle are the thickest parts of my hair. So pretty much it made my hair thicker and fuller in areas. And definitely people, like if you're trying to regrow your edges, I say give the rice water a try. Or you have thin areas, I say give the rice water a try, because it definitely builds up your hair if it's been damaged, if you've been doing all that crazy stuff to your hair. Like, I know I used to be a person when my hair was longer, I would go like this a lot from being nervous, and that could break your hair off. So certain areas of my hair, because I'm always in my hair, it protects me from breakage, and I love that about the rice water. Now, like I said, I'm not with the fermentation stuff, but I did leave my rice water for about 30 minutes. I think next time I'm going to use orange peels and put a little bit of peppermint oil and eucalyptus in the rice water, and then put it in my leave-in and see how that does, because I love my scalp stimulated peppermint oil, honey. When I first did my big chop, that is what helped really get my big chop growing and off the ground. So I'll do a video on that. But overall, the rice water, excuse me y'all, this pollen. Overall, the rice water has helped my hair grow. That, me drinking water, the Vicks Vapor Rub, and that Sunny Owl Jamaican black castor oil lavender butter, because I can't use castor oil for nothing. I got to use castor oil butter because it makes my skin glowy. I don't wear a lot of foundation. As you can see, you don't see foundation on my hands. I don't like foundation, and it makes my skin glowy. Like, people think I wear highlighter. I don't. It's just my skin is extra moisturized and I like my hair to be the same. Now, rice water, I'm gonna be doing these rice water updates because it's definitely been growing my hair. I mean, this is a lot of growth, y'all. Mind you, my hair was short. Like, I could not do no twists. I could not do nothing with my hair as far as April 28th last year. And so just in a few months, it has gotten to, like, it's shrunken right now. But just in a few months, my hair has grown tremendously from the Jamaican castor oil, butter with lavender, and then this rice water that I've been using for 2 weeks now, which I've been doing the leave-in. My hair is incredibly soft. It's been growing because it has grown, like, I would say 1 inch since this whole situation. And a lot of people, they're iffy about the rice water, and I say just try it for yourself. Now, like I said, I'm not doing no fermentation now. That's too much. But as far as doing a rice water rinse, this is my video, y'all. So this is my video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed my little video about rice water and how to make my rice water leave-in. Leave your comments on this down below. Let me know if it worked for you, or if you tried rice water, or if you're gonna try my leave-in. And I will see y'all on the next video.